Hey guys, Colin McLeod here from the StockMarketBasics.com, and here we are with our daily intraday stock picks for February 10th, 2014. Starting off the longs, the first long we got on the list is Flex, F-L-E-X. This is in the electrical components sector and trades on the NASDAQ. Now, like Flex is a long for tomorrow for the following reasons. The stock gapped lower in October and followed through to the downside. In December, the stock bottomed out and moved up from the bottom before consolidating. Several sessions ago, the stock gapped up and traded wildly, and over the past few sessions the stock first pull back and then climb up towards the highs. We'll see if this stock is able to catch a gap up as the market opens on Monday, and if the stock does trade past $8.60, we'll consider it as a long with an intraday price target of $8.90. Here's the daily chart of Flex. Next up we've got GPK. This is in the packaging sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this one as a long for tomorrow for the following reasons. The stock is in a multi-year uptrend. The stock made a high in December and pulled back to hold at support. Yesterday the stock gapped up and ran to a new high, pulling back to close near the lows on heavy volume. And today the stock powered up and moved to the upside, closing near the highs. We'll see if the sellers have cleared out of this and if there's any follow through to the upside as the market opens on Monday. If this stock can move past $10 a share, we will consider going long on it with an intraday price target of $10.41. Here's the daily chart of GPK. Long number 3 on our list for Monday is GTAT. This is in the semiconductor sector and trades on the NASDAQ. Now we like this semiconductor company as a long for Monday for the following reasons. The stock has been in a powerful uptrend over the past year. The stock topped out in November and pulled back to support before starting to climb up towards the highs. And on Friday, the stock gapped up and moved up on heavy volume, closing at the previous highs. We'll see if this stock is able to catch a bid as the market opens on Monday and catch a new fresh high. And if it does jump past $10.83 a share, we'll consider it as a long trade with an intraday price target of $11.30. Here's the daily chart of GTAT. Next up we've got KORS. This is in the clothing and accessories sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like KORS as long for Monday for the following reasons. The stock is in a longer term uptrend. The stock has been strong relative to the rest of its sector. 3 sessions ago the stock gapped up and sold off to close near the lows. The stock did not follow through to the downside and has been moving up. And on Friday the stock made a new high, closing strongly. We'll see if this stock can catch another day to the upside as the market opens on Monday, and if it does surge past $94.50, we'll consider going long on it with an intraday price target of $96.90. Here's the daily chart of KORS. Long number 5 on our list for Monday is LSCC. This is another company in the semiconductor sector and trades on the NASDAQ. Now we like this one as a long for Monday for the following reasons. Yesterday the stock made a big move up on heavy volume to reach the previous highs. And on Friday the stock gapped up and pulled back early in the session before powering up on heavy volume to close at the high of the day. We'll see if this stock can put in some consolidation move to the upside, and if it does jump past $6.90 a share, we will consider going long on it with an intraday price target of $7.48. Here's the daily chart of LSCC. The last long we got on the list for Monday is PLCM. This is in the telecom equipment sector and trades in the NASDAQ. Now we like this one as a long for Monday for the following reasons. The stock was in a long sideways trend at the end of a move lower. In December the stock started to move up and pulled back last week with the overall market. Yesterday the stock put in a big day to the upside, and on Friday the stock followed through and made a recent high on increasing volume. We'll see if this stock can continue its move up on Monday, and if it does jump past $12.50 a share, we will be considering it as a long trade with the intraday price target of $12.93. Here's the daily chart of PLCM. Once again, my name is Colin McLeod from the Stock Market Basics. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for future updates, as well as signing up for our Freedom 35 membership program.